Subtracting algebraic terms. When we are subtracting algebraic terms, it's often called simplifying, because when we subtract and we don't know the exact value of the answer, because we've got x's and y's or other letters which we don't know the numerical value of, we can't come up with an exact answer. We can only come up with a simplified version of what we started off with. 5x plus 3y minus 7x minus 2x plus y. What we're looking for is to try and find any terms that are like each other, and then we can regroup them and see how they simplify down. We have 5x's here, and then we have a minus 7x, and we also then we're going to add on 3y plus 1y, which is 4y. And that is our answer, written as simply as possible. In the original expression, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, and now in the simple version, there are only 2 terms. That has been simplified.